Hey guys, today we're gonna make dessert. It's just breadstick. Hello tala. So she'll be back, promise. Okay, we just have to dip the breadstick in here.
Okay.
And then later we will put it here and put it in the freezer. Like an hour, I think, or like 10 minutes. Your turn. Like that. Wait. Babe, it's your turn. Your turn. Babe, it's your turn. It's not my turn.